There's something about the stars that is, to me, it's also like the ocean and the mountains in the daytime. In the daytime, the oceans and the mountains offer a similar thing. Like when you see the mountains, it's one thing to see photos of the mountains, but when you're in their presence, they look beautiful in photos, but you don't feel them.
No.
When you're driving through a mountain range and you see like snow-capped peaks and these beautiful meadows of grass and big trees, it's like, wow. It's like the most amazing art that you could ever experience. But it's nature. And I think nature has a way of getting us attracted to places that are fertile and places that would hold life. And so when you see the mountains and you see these trees and these valleys and a lake, and like, this is very fertile.